This Windermere Real Estates in One Island property video is presented by Debbie Dardenethly. This 2,054 square feet split-level floor plan boasts master bedroom, living room, kitchen, walk-in pantry and dining, opening onto the sunny deck on the upper floor, while the walkout daylight basement has 2 bedrooms, family room and utility room. This home has new carpet and laminate flooring, is freshly painted, and is ready for your creative touches. A separate cozy 240 square feet studio cottage complete with full bath and front porch sits next to the circular drive with water feature and plantings. Ample decks, fruit trees, garden space, a fenced dog run and RV pad complete this one-of-a-kind property. Private well and no HOA. Privacy abounds on 5 acres featuring a